What is good, guys? It's Ray J back with another video, and in this one I'm going to be breaking down what's going on with the overall market, what we should be watching for moving forward. I'm also going to talk about this breaking news that just came out. Let me first say that I'm not a financial planner, take none of this as financial advice, and the news just came out that the Fed is going to be leaving the Fed funds rate at 5.25%. They're going to leave it unchanged, and the vote was unanimous. This is very important because now this could be either a pause or a skip. Now, we don't know for sure what that's exactly going to look like for July because we don't know what the meeting will tell us. We're going to find out more details about this later on during the press conference, which starts at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're getting very close to it, but for now, we got what appears to be an unchanged Fed funds rate. For now, they're pausing for June. They're just like not really doing anything. And this could change in July, but for now, like I said, this is once again what many of the market participants were expecting. The market's getting this initial sell-off as the news just came out. However, there's no guarantee it's going to continue this way because you have to remember the market could be very tricky on days like this. There's a chance the market's going to try to rebound and try to eventually break to the upside, depending on what Powell says, or it may do the exact opposite and they may just try to fake everyone out and just continue to hurt many people and do something unexpected. I mean, the best thing to do is just watch the different levels and listen to what Jerome Powell has to say, because I can't predict exactly what's going to happen. However, because there's a pause, at least during this hike, as long as Powell does not, scare the market too much, there's still a good chance the market may rebound in the future. Like I told you guys earlier, there's still a good chance we could see the market continue to hold up. But for now, let's just look at this on a level basis and worry more about where we currently are and less about us going to like 450 just yet. It could still happen in the future, but first let's talk about the next resistance levels. The next major resistance is going to be 442 still. We're still in this range. We didn't really crash too hard. We're only down like 0.4%. For now, SPY is going to be testing 435. If we break this, watch 436.25 to 436.64. Break that, then we're going to be watching 438, this zone all the way up here. And if it manages to break above that, like I said before, we have 440, then 442 potentially to come. 442 being the much more heavy resistance zone. And in order for us to get closer to 450 in the future, maybe over the next couple of weeks, we have to break 442. Now, for now, you could see right now the market's still at this lower level as the news just came out. But like I said before, there are many instances where there could be fake outs, lots of tricks during a day like this. Support that's holding us up is in this 433 zone. So we have support at 434 and also 433.5. And if that breaks on us, we're going to be watching support at 432 and then 430. If 430 fails us, then there's, the next chop zone we were talking about, the 429 to 426 area. I don't think we're going to go that low. At least I'm hoping we don't. For now, let's just see what happens. Let's see if this is truly a fake out. Let's see if the market tries to rebound. Very difficult to predict when Jerome Powell is speaking. It's very unpredictable sometimes, but we're just going to have to be patient. That's the reason why I warned you guys to manage risks during a day like this. As for Tesla, you can see this big drop right over here down to about 250. Came all the way back up to 255, then it came back down. Tesla's just swinging back and forth. Nothing is guaranteed just yet. When Powell speaks, we could see the market rebound and Tesla push right back up to these levels. For now, it's at this support zone, which is around this 252.5 area. If that fails, then we have 250, and below 250 we have 247.5, followed by many of the other levels in the 247s I mentioned earlier, like 245.95, 244.5, and etc. Now, if Tesla tries to pump up, you're going to be watching resistance. Don't forget, resistance is now going to be around 254.26, 255.7, 257 flats, 257.65, and finally all the way back up to this 260 range if you break above 258. For now, it's just going back and forth. We'll see if the market tries to rebound when Powell speaks. This could always be a fake out, so be open-minded and be very patient during a day like this, but always be open-minded. The rate hike pause is increasing the odds of the market eventually or in the future getting some kind of rebound, but for now, just be patient and see how the market reacts. We just have to watch these levels. As for the QQQ, 361 is trying to hold right now. 360 is where we have some nice support. If that fails, we have 359, 358, the 358 range between 357.5 and 358, 355.5, and etc. If it tries to push up, you're going to be watching resistance at 362, 363 right over there. 363.5 specifically, then we have 364, 364.69, 366, followed by 368 to 370. For now, the QQQ it didn't like tank that hard. It's still trying to hold above 360. Still a very important support. So we're just going to watch this very carefully and see if we get a rebound when Jerome Powell speaks. Are we going to come all the way up to where this imbalance happened? Are we going to pump all the way back, or is the market going to continue to sink? This could be a trap. This could be a fake out. So be very careful and watch this all carefully when Powell starts speaking. At the time of recording this, Powell's going to be speaking in about 10 minutes. So get ready. Nothing is certain just yet. The odds do favor the market eventually making its way up because of this potential like pause, but we have to wait for what Powell says. It may take many trading days or even like a week or so, a while for the market to try to make its way back up. But let's just wait and see. Let's be very patient on this and see how the market moves. Expect lots of manipulation, lots of just wild swinging back and forth when Powell talks, and just get ready. It's going to be wild. Thank you all for listening. I'll see you guys very, very soon. And so far, this is huge news that just came out. The market is getting ready for a bigger move after this as well. All right, thank you for listening. Powell speaks at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. I hope you guys are ready. He's going to say a lot of important stuff. Get your popcorn ready. This is going to be huge. Thank you for listening. I'll see you guys very soon. Market to the moon, and peace out.